Today we talk about how can you add new credit card on your Sonic app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on account. So then you come to this list here, and all you have to do, you just click here on payment methods here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on add new credit card. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switching to open video. So when it's going to open video, you add your card information here. So you fill all this for your card information. You click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.